Hello guys, in this video you will know how to download and install XAMPP server on Windows 10. So let us start. First of all, go to the browser. Here in Google, write down the XAMPP server, and here this link, you can click on it, open, and now you can download this one for Windows, and Linux and OS X is also available, but we have to install it on Windows 10. So click on this. Now download has been finished. Let us see. You can see here XAMPP Windows server. Double click on it. Here it has been launched for download. It shows that some kind of an warning. It seems you have an antivirus running. In some cases it may slow down. Continue with installation. Yes. Okay. Now click here next. You can see there are a number of things. It can be downloaded and installed. It can be installed. Click next. It chooses the folder in C:XAMPP folder. Click here next. Language is English. Click next and keep it as checked. It shows that provides free install. That can click next. Setup is now ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer. Click next. Now it takes some time to install. We have to wait until this green bar will be here completed. Here it will ask for firewall has blocked some features of this app, so here we can allow access. Now the XAMPP setup wizard has been completed. We can now check this box checked so that the control panel will be started. Click here finish. Now here you can see the XAMPP control panel has been started, but here it shows some error that it has not been started. It is blocking something. So let us try whether it's working or not. Click here start. See, it shows this error, Apache shut down unexpectedly, because usually it's these ports are occupied. For example, port 80 or port 443, it's usually occupied. We can see it here, netstat, which ports are right now occupied. You can see here there are a number of ports which has been occupied by different services. So to see here 443, it's occupied, and there might be 80, port 80 as well. We can change these ports according to our need. We can, for example, change this port 80 to port 8080 by clicking this here configuration. Click on it, and here you can see http d.config. Click on it. Here we can find port 80. See, here you can see port 80. It's listening on port 80, but it might be occupied. We can change it by 808080. We will here replace it. Click edit and replace by 80 to 8080. Replace all. Click on it. save and save here and close here. Now the second thing is 443 as well. This is the SSL port, http://ssl.conf. click on it and you can first find 443 port. Here it's listening at 443. We can change it, replace 443 into, suppose we can write down 4433, replace all and find whether it has been changed or not. Yes, it has been changed to 4433. Click save and click close. Now we can start and see whether it is working or not. Click here, start. Yes, it has been started at port 8080 for HTTP and port 4433 for HTTPS. Now let us check. Go to your browser and check whether it is working or not. Write down here localhost and port 8080, enter. You can see here it is working. It can show us the page XAMPP Apache server, and also we can click here my PHP admin. Here you can see it shows error because we have not started MySQL. We have not started. Go to the XAMPP control panel again and we can start here, start. You can see it's not, it shows error. Again we can go to the config and myYANI and you can change the port here. You can see here its port is 3306. We can change it using 33066 and save and start it again. Allow access. And you can see now it's running. Now you can see MySQL is also running. This is how you can download and install and configure XAMPP server or control panel. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.